Now the Yagi antenna, a little different type of creature, used for short to medium distance, point-to-point communications for up to about 2 miles. Now I realize if your experience with these antennas has been home use and you're thinking 2 miles, I could stay online for a lot longer while I'm walking down the road. Now, even though they're designed to be high gain, they can be used for, like I said, longer distance. And one of the benefits is that you can install it high on a wall and you could tilt it towards the area. Because remember, it's like that street light. It's designed to cover an area. So, if I think of having multiple buildings, maybe one building's really tall, one building's really small, and I need to make that coverage, instead of putting my antenna at that direction where, it's going to miss the antenna on the other building, then you just give this thing a little tilt, right? You just take it out, tilt it, and change that direction so you can get to the other antenna. And likewise, you can tilt the other one back up. So that's another benefit of why they talk about it being tilted downward to get to the area that needs to be covered.